Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can clear your Instagram cache on your iPhone. So unlike Android, you don't have a direct option here in iPhone. So what you have to do, go to your profile and on the top right corner you will see this three horizontal line. Just tap there. Okay, now here go to your activities. Okay, now scroll up and you will see recent searches. Tap there. Now on the top right corner, tap on clear all. Okay, this is the first thing. Then second thing, go to your settings app, then go to general. Okay, here go to iPhone storage. Okay, here go to Instagram. Now tap on upload app, tap on upload. Okay, then you can reinstall it. Then third thing you can do, go to your app store, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, here you will see personalized recommendation, tap there. Okay, now here tap on clear app usage data, and in this pop-up confirm clear app usage data, then hit done. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can clear your Instagram cache on your iPhone, and if you still have lots of data, lots of cache, then the best way to get rid of this cache data in iPhone is to uninstall this app and reinstall it again. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.